called Raymond on the phone about an hour ago, and I was like, how are you gonna fit the kit in your car? And he was like, I don't know, but I'm about to figure it out. And I guess he really did figure it out, because he drove all the way from Oakland to Newark like this on the freeway. That's insane. This man's crazy. Just smacked me in the face. Oh!
Oh, sorry. Alright, go ahead, Dylan.
So what we're going to be starting with is the rear bumper on the Futago kit. So we're starting with taking the rear bumper off, but we're struggling really bad because we didn't want to pull the taillights out. And yeah, you need to take the taillights out. Got it. Good shit. Ow! Now you're careful after it was dragging the ground for how... Fuck it up without it first. Hey, let me get this one out.
He did. Yay!
Yay! Look at all the scratch.
No, not here. I'm on time. No, it's not gonna fall. It won't fall.
That's how I was holding it.
So in order to fit the rear bumper, we have to take off the bash bar because it won't sit flush. Alright, it's good.
Dylan, are you serious? Okay.
So when I mocked up this area right here and I tightened the zip ties, the bumper was sticking out a ½ inch right here, so I'm gonna hit right where it was rubbing right here in so it clears. Ooh. Perfect. So the area we had to bash was right here, and it was only about an inch size. But yeah, we only bashed this in a little bit, and it seems like it's enough to clear now, so the bumper does sit flush.
Sticks up. Struggling. I'm finishing right here.
So bad. Okay. We tried a bunch of ways to get this back bumper to fit properly, including butchering the stock bracket. We tried rib nuts on the bumper. We tried zip ties, like going through the first hole on the bumper into the second, then into the hole in the quarter, out the other quarter, and none of them worked. So we just tried the easiest way, which is drilling one hole on the inside of the quarter, throwing a zip tie through it, tightening it, and that's the way that worked.
I'm just kidding.
Punch yourself in the face.
So what Raymond was doing is he took those brackets off that are in his hand for the headlight bracket to make the bumper fit flush. On this side we were able to make it fit pretty flush, but the problem we're facing now is the bumper got kind of warped because this guy had it hanging out his car.
So now we're gonna start drilling holes.
So this is the little gasket for the hood on the bumper. And then one thing we noticed that's an issue is there's a bunch of material on the bumper itself right here. So the metal bracket can't sit flush because it hits right here. Instead of shaving the fiberglass and making the bumper weaker, we chose to actually cut right along here and just take the material away from the gasket thing, because we rather have this structure on the bumper than this. Yeah.
It's too short.
You're always supposed to screw these in first before you do that,
How?
so you don't cross thread them.
Yeah,
I think you
but
just did.
So there are 3 holes here, or 3 indents for holes here on the side skirt, and I'm guessing those are matching up with the 3 holes that are on the fender. So we're gonna drill those out and put zip ties in each one. And then on the back, it's pre-marked with the same like indents. So we're gonna drill it out and just put a self-tapper in.
Lift it up, lift it up. Yeah.
On the back section of the side skirt, we're just gonna use 2 random self-tappers and hope that it holds.
why did it move?
The drill died, that's why.
Oh.
So I only got this kit to fix this part. Not this. This.
How'd that happen?
I was driving recklessly.
His rocker got robbed.
I got too excited. First car.
Repeating on other side.
Blocking this beautiful side. Final piece, taking off the ugly third brake light.
Why?
Because that shit's ugly. Oh! This shit. Now, just take this off.
So he's deleting his third brake light using delete plates that cover the holes just like that with double-sided tape. But really, it's very minor. You don't need to do this if you're deleting your third brake light, but it just makes it a little cleaner. That's crooked.
What?
It is crooked. I don't want to say anything.
You didn't even clean it.
That's it. Why does it have a mask on?
Can't see it. Hold on. Aw, it's cute.
Zip tie broke.
Yep.
Nice.
Did you keep up?
Yeah.
You didn't hear that shit?
Shit, bro.
Oh, the zip tie broke. We good.
The bumper didn't break? No, it's just the zip tie. You're so lucky. You're so lucky you didn't crack the bumper.